Such a bad trade.
Oh, we are live. Now.
What?
Yeah, I just pressed the wrong button. Stream is starting right now. Live in a
We're
second.
live right now.
Yeah, like any second.
Damn. Okay.
Yo.
Yo.
What's up, Aaron?
Good morning, brothers.
Good morning.
Sir. Let's get it, G's. New week, baby.
Sir.
How y'all feeling?
Good.
Good and you?
A little bit tired.
Sam. Got a little something off the market open last night. Or this morning.
Yeah, that was quick.
A little something. Yep. I just got my quota and got out of there, basically. 160. I'm out. What time are we gonna go on?
We are all gone. We are on.
Oh, we're on?
Yeah, let's join in the classroom so the people can join on Discord too.
Okay.
No, wrong one.
You know.
Wrong one. Classroom. We go London for everybody.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, London for Africa. So wait, what do you mean?
Yes, sir. Okay, let's see. Welcome everybody to the stream. You're that early. W.
Can they hear us on YouTube right now?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Best behavior then.
YouTube chat, where are you?
Turn my camera.
Good morning, man. Good morning, gang. Good morning. You know, she didn't even give me time to make my coffee, bro.
Right.
Yes. Be quick with it.
You too quick. I'm going to actually make one real quick. BRB.
Bastard.
Sorry, bro.
You know, she could run the breakdown, bro. I mean, this guy does breakdowns all the time.
Yeah, I will start in a second. No worries.
Yeah, I love your breakdowns, actually.
Kind of soga. Actually, I love them too. To be honest.
Eine Sorge.
What does that mean?
No worries.
Keine Sorgen.
Good morning, Ahmad. Welcome.
Good morning, brother.
Hope you had
Rise and shine.
hope you had an amazing weekend. And I hope we have an amazing trading week now. Last week's price action wasn't the best. I mean, if we look at the 4 hour, we can kind of see what happened here from for 4 days straight. We just kind of stayed in this range. But now we broke out, so let's see.
Yeah.
You want to start with a prayer?
W. Yeah. Let's start with the prayer. Good morning, YOLO. YOLO.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll start with the prayer. All right, let's pray. Jesus, thank you for the day you provided for us, Lord. Just thank you for us being able to have a weekend. Thank you that we can all come together under your name, Lord, and as page just go before us throughout this entire week and this morning with our trading and with our lives outside of trading. We just want to thank you for all that you do. I just pray that you just bless every person that comes in and out of the live stream and of Discord. That you just go with them, guide and protect them, Father. We thank you for all that you do. We thank you for a new week, and we give you all the praise and all the glory. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Amen, brother.
Oh, I just noticed I got the wrong date on the stream, but whatever.
Hey, it's all the same.
So what's today's fake date?
Today
19th.
it's
17th.
yeah, it says 17th. It's
W.
Saturday.
The 17th to me.
Yeah, I'm right there with it. So.
Alright, let's see. Let's take a look at the weekly because it's Monday. We just open up. Previous weekly closed above the resistance we had right here. It also opened up no bottom wick, just like this new one did right now, and broke the previous highs already. So I think it is likely that we get a bottom wick, but in this situation we are in right now with the tariffs and all that stuff going on around the world, it makes sense that gold is going on a rally again. So
Also Greenland and all that.
yeah, exactly. So we might not even need the bottom wick here, and just, you know, if we continue to push up, it's just gonna be kind of like one of those. So let's see on the daily. Yeah, just in more detail, came down to these supports, tapped them, grabbed some liquidity here, and used that to push up, break out now. Had a little retest here, closed back above. We didn't close below this support right here, so remained bullish. And now today, over the weekend, everybody I think kind of heard about it. We had some stuff with the NATO and Greenland, so and then the tariffs. So market open and we just gapped up, and in Asia continued to push up. Let's see how it looks on the 4-hour. Yeah, here's the gap I was talking about. This was the market open. Just straight up, this 4 pushed and closed above these resistance. Yeah, new 4 also didn't really gave a lot of bottom wick. Just came up. It didn't also quite fill the wick on the 4-hour. So let's see what's happening here on the 1-hour. And now we can see we have a support right here and a resistance. So we're kind of in a range. Scale down a little bit more. 30 minutes doesn't really give us more information on this. I mean, we have like a small adjustment here. Could make. That's 15 minutes, and that's the same too. So yeah, definitely bullish. So I would be looking for buys, something. If we could, you know, the 4 is gonna close now in 11. Holy shit. Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, bro, we can hear you. You're
Okay,
good.
yeah, my internet was just gone. Where was I? So yeah, the 4 is about to close, and yeah, let's see if we can get the next one to open. Maybe give us a bottom wick, come to the bottom of this range. These 4 lows, which would be these 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1-hour lows, and then we can look for buys up here. Oops. Around this levels, and if that doesn't hold, we can still wait for gold maybe to come down here and look for buys from here. from this area later. But this is what I would be looking for. We could also, you know, get a breakout here, and then I would need some kind of fresh support to be formed here, and then we buy from here. But this would be the setup that's not like I would rate these both setups way better. I want to buy from down and not from all the way up there, if that makes sense. And that's it.
W, bro. Big W.
Questions, concerns? Yeah,
USD
bank holiday.
today. Yep.
True.
Yes, it is.
We might just play this range today. We will see.
Or just shoot all the way up because it's a bank holiday.
Yeah, we saw that too.
Right.
By the way, if any of the quality or like the delay on stream is annoying you, we just created this classroom channel on our Discord, so it's free for everybody to use. We're gonna be there in London, and you can just join Discord and just, you know, switch between our streams, because every coach in here will have their stream on and stream their chart. So if you want to join us on Discord, you can do that too. No delay and full HD.
Yes, sir. Where it's at. That's where the party's at. Hey, good morning, NJ. Welcome, brother. Hey, Timus. Go. That's right, that's right. YOLO. Still dark over there, you know?
Yeah, still dark, but I can lighten it.
Right.
Brighten it.
Right. Still got crazy snow up there, or it calming down?
We had until like I think Friday, and then it started melting. But I had like I'd say like 30 centimeters of snow on my balcony lane.
Hey.
Was quite snowy, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How's it down
Do
there?
you mind? Oh, sorry. Just a little like blah, like, you know what I mean, like gray and blah.
Yeah.
Not snow anymore, but like, yeah. The days have been alright, to be honest. Zenu Black in the chat says, "Do you mind bank holiday?" Question mark. Yeah, we don't really care either way. You know, we understand that, you know, bank holiday price action could be a little bit like slower, or it could just be, you know, could be anything. So yeah, I don't really care too much about it. How to join Zoom link? You have to be in our Discord. Yes, thank you, Yolo. Exclamation mark Discord. And then boom, baby.
Good morning, everybody.
Hey, there he
Barthus,
is.
NJ. It's with Angie.
Sir.
I mean, I just looked
That
at
was
this
your breakdown,
range.
brother.
Thank you. I just looked at this range we're in. It's a massive range, so if we, you know, can get some support in here, that would also kind of work. If you get something obvious to form here inside, I would like that too.
Just going up.
Calimera.
Yeah, we got a big range. We got a big range, so we can maybe take advantage of it. Calimera, Shafian.
Calimera. Gesundheit.
Bless you.
Who was that?
Jordan.
That was my go.
Oh, George. Oh yeah, I don't even have the names on OBS right now. Do that.
Oh, go. I don't even have my camera on. Give me a second.
Oh yeah, me too. Good call. Thank you, Aaron. I think we will see a quick move since we're at all-time high. Yeah, man. Anything's possible.
Anything could happen. Yeah, I mean, buys above the zone look pretty good for this week. Hello, thank you, brother. Yeah, we will be introducing everybody on the Instagram.
I love that post too.
I love the picture.
I was gonna say something, but I forgot we're on YouTube. So
I know what you were gonna say.
oh,
Skip it.
I know. I'll focus on the charts.
Oh, bro, you know she stream as music. What a W.
Hey.
Yeah, I thought I'd just stream audio too, since I have the music on YouTube.
Yeah, it's just much better. Is this gonna be a no bottom week drive to the moon kind of day?
Yeah, it might. I mean,
I mean, this is what I'm thinking. You know what I mean?
the
Exactly what I'm thinking.
market
I
gapped
mean,
up. What was this, like
right at market open. The gap.
300 pip gap?
That's what I'm saying. To no surprise.
Yeah.
I think AB did a little something.
Yeah,
And,
it was on.
Yeah.
Caught like 100 pips or something.
Yeah.
Shout out to
Yeah.
everybody if you're a part of that.
Was WAB.
Hey. Nothing new from AB.
That was for the subscribers last night. AB did a pre-market analysis and he took pre-market buys right at market open. But next week Sunday it'll be open for everybody.
Yes, sir.
They caught like what? What did they catch? 180? 130
Something like
pips?
that.
At least. I
saw
saw.
100.
I think traders next door, you got runners, right? For like at least 200.
Yeah.
Is he in here? Nah, he's not.
Yeah,
yet.
I think so.
Yeah,
so.
but he was
Nah,
there.
he's not.
I'm just going to the Discord right now. Damn, JDeezy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
JD, bro. Dude.
Alright.
Like, bro, relax. Bro, Joel too, bro. Eating, bro.
Yeah.
Traders next door, man. John, Joel. We got so many people eating, and I love that.
All different
Yeah.
styles too. It's crazy. I love it. It's beautiful.
But everybody, kind of still sees the same stuff, because we all read price action and base our trades off that. So
Exactly.
I think it all makes sense.
It's just how you want to go about it, basically.
Yeah, you gotta find your own style,
Yeah.
kinda. It's fitting
Yeah.
you, your risk, your management.
Preach, brother.
AB goes fucking, sorry, excuse my language, but he goes 2GC into a fallen, I don't know, 200
Fallen
pip
knife.
gold bleeder, and he's just placing a 2GC, and those 1 minute candles are printing like 100 pip each. and he's just sitting there, no fear. His stops get activated, and takes it up. But I would be too scared to go
Usually,
GC on something like that, you know. And
yeah, 2 GC on like a 1 minute candle is crazy.
that's like where we're all different, so we kind of gotta adapt to what we like and what we are feeling comfortable with trading.
Bro. And another thing, AB has done that like time and time and time and time again. It's not just like a one-time thing. It's not just like, and that's why we're all amazed that, sometimes it's hitting so frequently or hitting so much. Or even when we're not in the trading, we're paper trading it and they're hitting those levels, But at the same time, it's like, bro, what did you expect? It's like he put in the time and work. And the fact that, they hit so consistently, now he's comfortable and has that confidence to take 2 GC, it all makes sense. You know what I mean? I just wish I had that confidence to take 2 GC sometimes. But I will soon.
Like we went through a lot of losses to get there, so
100%.
yeah.
All you need is a little something, baby.
To everyone here in the Discord, there is a chat feature in this classroom channel. You just hover over classroom, and then you'll see the little chat feature. You can chat right there.
You guys have any questions, or if you're in any trades, feel free to drop it too. We don't care at all, like what trade you're in or anything. We just like to see it, like to help analyze the trade and talk about it. So yeah, feel free.
Yeah. Even if you trade a different strategy, we can still go over your losses, emotions, and or just like emotions in general, because that's a really big thing in trading. It's not like technical is one part, but then psychology is another, and it's a really, really big part, I'd say.
Yeah,
for sure. The biggest,
actually. Yeah, learning technicals on the charts, a monkey could do it. No offense to anyone, but it's really not difficult to learn the technicals. But when it comes to actually putting money on the line, all the technicals just run out of your mind. It just becomes a war zone in your mind, and that plays the biggest factor in profitability.
Yeah, like you just said, it's one thing when you're doing it or doing a practice, or doesn't mean that much, but it's another thing when you're seeing those numbers move and there's $500 right in front of you, but your technical analysis says let it go or to take profit, and you don't because you want to be more greedy, and you know what I mean? All these things that you don't think about when you're just like, normally trading with no skin in the game, as we say. You know what I mean? Play into effect. So yeah, psychology, bro. Really. Hey, AB Mike, what's he do? Buy or sell?
Buy or sell?
Brother, there's only one way to find out.
Buy.
I need to see your chart. Hey, but you in the wrong chat. Hey guys, why does AB always come here in the wrong chat? I think there's a trend here that's starting. We gotta direct him. Someone direct AB to the right place. Someone help me.
Yo, AB, hit exclamation mark Discord.
AB Mike. Let's go. AB.
That's why it's the goat. The goat. Signs of bullishness? Yeah, your technical analysis last night was signs of bullishness, bro. W.
Bullishness.
There you go, AB. Now click that link and join us.
How was your weekend, brother?
Good, bro. Good. I really just relaxed after our first week of launching. yeah, it was nice to just chill. But I was ready and excited for Monday, either
I
way.
feel that.
But it was nice to just relax. Yours?
New 4 hour open. 5 minutes to go. Not, but yeah, bro. Pretty much the same thing.
Yeah.
I had a great weekend. But again, bro. I mean, I just got back to Germany also Monday, and we just launched and everything. So I was so tired, bro. But at the same time, very thankful and blessed for so many things and everybody in my life and all 21 you watching right now and every single person in the Discord. So there's so much to be thankful for, bro. Can't even be tired, and it's now already Monday, and man, I just love it. It's great. We are
Yeah,
blessed.
facts.
We back at it. So yeah, great weekend.
Good morning, Suji. Good morning, brother. How about yours,
Did a lot of work, like off the charts, on the Discord and stuff, and yeah, it was pretty nice. Some nice food.
Found out
What'd you
Ines was
eat?
going through
Yeah.
it. Bro, that was wild.
Yeah,
Bro.
so
I
we
can't believe
changed
you
the
didn't
we changed the regime on the YouTube live. We'll just be streaming one screen, because yeah, it was just way too much of a technical drama, for your nose to run multiple streams. It's just OBS is just weird like that. So if you guys want to see all of our screens, you can join our free Discord. The link is currently in the Discord, and you can watch us all live
Yeah,
in the
we
chat.
rewatched like the latest streams, and we just noticed every time we switched to a different stream, the quality just got worse and worse. So I think OBS is just not ready for like that multi-streaming thing. There's just too much settings.
Yeah. Yeah. Traders next doors.
Entered the bullish onion as L got hit was too small apparently. Which one?
Which time frame? Hey, Czar Trader, good day to you, my brother.
Czar Trader. Good morning.
Yo, Sujay, is that message? How you doing?
Good day to you too, Czar. A blessed one, in fact. Let us know, Tamer, which bullish support you took. Because if it's any of the higher time frames, you should have been pretty good.
You like all time frames.
And there he is, traders next door. Trader next door. Did your runner hit full TP?
Hi. Good morning, brother. Traders next door. I can never read his name. Trader next door.
Yeah, I slipped up on it too.
Yeah.
I think he did
I
it.
always say something different. I say something different every time.
That S that just sneaks in there.
Yeah, bro.
It says 1 o'clock.
No, it didn't. Damn.
No? Damn.
Goalie. Okay, so it hit B. That's alright.
1 o'clock? Yeah, 1 o'clock. I'm gonna assume you mean New York time.
$1 o'clock, yeah.
Oh. support wasn't formed on the 15 or the 30 at 1.
Was it on GC though? Maybe it wasn't even GC.
It's back.
P6.
Or maybe it was this 15-minute bullish candle. But you never broke these highs, so. Oh, there's the pack on the 15.
Yeah, I like that we come down now.
Yeah. Yeah, new 4 hours, so. This low could honestly go anywhere. We might even want to come down to snag those lows, but we're so extremely bullish. We'll have to see.
We
Yeah,
gonna see.
coming into supports now. Let's. I could see it come maybe until like 70. If we get a support from there, I would be interested in buys.
For sure, same. But
Yeah.
the time frame is clean.
Yeah, even from here, get a support here on the next 15. Looks good. Bank holiday, huh? What you gonna do later then?
What time is Top
What?
Step closing?
Top step closes only later, like 11:45 New York time.
Yeah,
I think so. After we get 9:30, we have 9:30. I mean, but the banks are closed, so there will be nothing.
There will be nothing.
And by that I mean that there is no NYC open
oh
because
my god.
the New York Stock Exchange is closed.
True.
Why did I even open crypto charts?
Oh,
Don't
is that
open
ugly?
crypto, bro.
Yeah,
Don't open crypto.
Oh no.
Don't open crypto.
I mean it was kind of obvious that we bleed down on Monday because of all the tariff stuff and
Say it ain't so.
give me a break, man.
Yeah, bro. Got a notification on my phone and I was like, okay.
Apex A account. Made my one account for a long time. I think nobody here has an account with Apex, right?
No, but man, I hear everyone complaining about that. I'm sorry, like I don't hear good things about them. But I have no.
About inactivity, I know most prop firms, most if not all, do 30 days of inactivity. So if you don't trade the account for 30 days, they'll breach it.
You got to be careful though, because I think that's only Top Step. I think Tradeify is like you got to trade it in that week one time, if I'm not mistaken. Or and take
Sure.
profit trader. Yeah, they're pretty strict.
Once a week is tough because if you go
It
on
might even be
vacation,
like, yeah, it might even be like, pretty sure it's once in the week, bro. But it might be like once in the 2 weeks. But I gotta look into it because I'm pretty sure. I just trade it once a week just to make sure because I'm pretty sure it is. But Top Step for sure is 30 days. Chilling. Like 1 month.
so
I'm in sales now from 75. Probably better partials.
79.
Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff.
Yeah. Nice liquidity grab here with 5, kinda, and then breaking the lows made sense to give a push. Risky on such a bullish day,
Definitely risky.
but will you trade?
You trade.
I guess expecting the 4 hour here to create a bottom wick made it a little bit less risky to go against the bullish trend. But yeah, definitely a risky one.
Maybe at 70. Yeah, it's good TP. Just be careful in case we bounce off this 30 resistance. At 71.
Yeah, this is also where the volume profile says most orders are sitting. So that aligns once again.
Right.
The 71 tab.
Benji.
Good morning, Benji.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, brother. Had a great weekend. Hope you had one too, bro. Let this be a W week. Oh God, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Benji. Time's at 8:18.
Yeah, what's the word of the day? 8:18.
Give it to us, Mr. Ethan.
Word of the day is Psalms 133:1. How good and pleasant it is when God's people live together in unity. Wow, beautiful. Let me say that again. Psalms 133:1. How good and pleasant it is when God's people live together in unity. Beautiful.
W. And that's why everybody should join the Discord. Join the community.
So that we can be in unity.
Hey, W, brother. Preach.
The word of the day, boys.
Yeah,
With that being
heard it from the
said,
Bible.
I pray that all 22 of you watching in here and everybody in the Discord has a blessed day for you, your families, and your trading accounts and your bank accounts. Let's get it.
You too, brother.
I already know.
Let's see if this 15 can maybe close back above.
Yeah. Yes, it's a nice zone. We can hold it.
And then could also give it some more time, because if this next 15 closes bullish above, we probably still have a 30 closing bearish. If this 30 closes bearish and then the next 15 gives us a bullish closure. Especially if this 30 closes like right at some support.
Yeah.
We're
Maybe we're
moving.
coming for that 4-hour low, bro.
Yeah, we are moving pretty good for a bank holiday.
We are, though,
Crazy.
for real. Better than last week.
Definitely.
Weekend was good. Thank you, Mr. Ockert. Just basically took the weekend to relax, recap, rejuvenate. Now we're back. How about yours? Let's check Tamer's trade.
Check it out. Check it out. Maybe Mike is up tone over there.
Okay, weekend was good. How
Yeah.
was yours? We did some work.
Tamer, yeah, I would say the short term sales make sense because 4 hour just opened up and we understand that most of them have bottom wicks and they tend to print first. So the short term sales are pretty good. Nothing really for me on the higher time frames, but yeah, I mean you took it off resistance on the 5. Price action wise it makes sense. Just not a move I would take. For W.
Alright, Joel. Have a good one. See you later.
Peace, Joel.
Peace, Joel.
No teenagers, no troubles. All.
Yo, Alex. Good morning, brother. Thank you, G. You have a blessed week too, bro. AJ. Good morning, AJ.
Morning, AJ. Good morning, Alex. On charts. Let's go, AB. AB here in 10 minutes.
Yeah, that hurt.
Maybe in 10 minutes? Does that mean buys in 10 minutes?
Probably.
Does that correlate?
AB is getting to the desk. There's gonna be pips made.
Mm-hmm. He may or may not be in the trade when he gets
He ate in at the market open already, I know.
Right.
Yeah, he's chilling.
Nathan. That's what he's doing. What you saying, George? What you saying?
Same as you know, to be honest. I like how we're dropping here. To be honest, at this point, it probably looks like a 30 support's going to be the cleanest But maybe this, like, said this 15 closes again below, and then the next one closes above. Or if this one closes above with this rejection, it still looks good, to be honest. But we'll just have to be very careful because the 30 will close bearish either way. But the best move is to wait for this 15 perhaps to tap the bottom of the range at 64. And then the next 30 to potentially form a support for London Open.
Mm-hmm. I really like the 670 level too, because I'm a little bit influenced by the volume profile, but it played out so many times now, and it just, if it correlates with everything we said in our analysis, I put a lot of trust in it, and it's just rejecting from it right here.
W. What is that at? Which the volume profile?
Where you find it? It's
No. What
oh,
numbers you have?
so if you just go at the range we have right now, it's sitting right at 670.
670. Okay.
And it's right these 15 supports there.
It's beautiful. Yeah, that's what I want to see.
So basically, for everybody wondering what this is, this just shows you where the most traded volume is sitting, which is right now this red line, with what we talked about at 670. So the most traded volume is sitting right here. If we come down and crash into this area, I'm expecting at least a reaction here, or if we really crash this through everything, then I know, okay, we're really bullish and we might get a retest from here and then go down. But yeah, get your own reps in with this. Just don't jump on it blindly and use it and trust it, always always test it.
Diligence.
Back test it. Yeah.
That's for anything.
Exactly. Don't just copy us blindly. Just because we jump into a trade, I'm not taking everything AB is taken, or
Yeah. I think they see that too. You see guys, or especially in the Discord, you see us like now week, and for example, for George, he took like 1 or 2 trades. No offense, George. You know what I mean? AB took way more trades. I took more trades. Lewis took NQ trades. You know what I mean? Took less trades. So it's all kind of different, and just because of different styles. Nothing wrong with it.
Man, throwing shade.
No, bro. I'm giving you props, bro. I'm giving you props for this.
I'm kidding.
That man storage. But bro. Fine, stop. No,
you wanna watch me trade? Okay. Stop by.
Get him riled up a little bit. George tomorrow. Alright. Calling everything.
You want to
Bro, remember that one day where you were calling all the trades and didn't take them, and then I was taking them?
Oh yeah, bro.
I remember too.
Lewis was taking
I was loving it. George is making me some money, guys. It was great.
That was funny. I love doing that, bro. Like,
Hey, bro.
I don't have a move. I've got no entry on the higher time frames, but it's just so nice to read.
I think
price.
So, okay, quick to disclosure, there's nothing, and I think I have forgot to tell you guys about a funny trade I was in last week. So basically I was about to go to bed and I was having a last look at the charts and I saw this opportunity for a nice buy limit. So I was like, let's just place my buy. Oh, give me a second, my robot
This robot's taking over.
He like ran through, bro.
He was-
Give me a second, my robot.
He was
What?
trying. He was trying. and then I placed my buy limit and I set my position bracket to, set my risk and everything. But I forgot to apply this check mark. And then the next day I woke up and I lost the accounts. And I saw
Oh
Did-
man.
the trade was up like 250 pips, but it didn't close because I didn't have the
Dang.
check mark in. And then it just later it came down and fully stopped them out, and I was like, damn. So always
that's so
always
unfortunate.
double check your settings. That's what I learned in that
Yeah.
night.
Mhm.
It was just some combine, so it's not, it wasn't XFAs, but still. That's why the
Yeah.
settings weren't like I had to use, like how I used to have them.
Makes sense.
It's so unfortunate, bro.
Bro, the little 555 play off of that little volume profile too on the 5 minute, but it's not so
Yeah.
clean. I do like that reaction level. So how do you use the volume profile? Show us again for those who don't.
I like use it on ranges, or just on ranges. So we had this huge massive pump up here, and now we just consolidating in this, and now I want to get a grip of where could this 4-hour bottom wick get to. So I'm using the volume profile and I set it from the beginning of this range to the end of this range. And it doesn't matter where you put it. Like you just gotta capture this range. Then you click it,
Okay.
and it shows you some lines here on the left, which also indicate the volume. So you can see here's this big volume block. This is where the most volume has been traded so far, and then the volume gets less obviously up here, and a little bit it's less down here. So this is the main range the volume is in right now. So this and this, and we can see this is where the price action was happening so far this session. And now this red line shows you where the absolute most volume out of this range is sitting in which area, and this is right here at 670. And as we can see, the price came down with a lot of volume here on the bearish side, but struggle to get below this. Now it also aligns with what we can see on the charts, right? Without any indicators or drawings on there, we see that we have a support here, and this 15, it didn't manage to close below here.
Right.
That's all. It's just like some extra confidence.
Yeah.
I think
Nice indicator though.
maybe in the future we will be able to take some, maybe 1 minute buys down here because of this level. I just looked at it. We came down, created a support, broke below, closed below, and then this candle closed back above. So I think this would have made up for a good buy if we break the highs here, put the stops below here, and then target like this support, and this would have been a nice trade. Great TP.
Yep.
40 pips.
Yeah.
Look like a W trade to me.
So this is what I'm looking at, for the future maybe. But
Mhm.
I wouldn't be acting on it now, because I'm just I just started looking at the lower time frames with you guys, so I'm still learning.
I like that, bro. I'm definitely gonna be asking you to bring that up, bro.
Yes, sir. I had that. I learned that from what was his name? Lorenzo. If anybody knows.
Corrado.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nah,
Lorenzo.
Lorenzo. What's his
The
Discord
streamer?
name? Yeah, the streamer. I forgot. He's
Thought it was
he's
Lorenzo
pretty.
Pro.
He's a funny guy.
It could be.
I thought
Yeah.
Yeah,
yeah, it
I've
is. I'm
seen
pretty
him
sure. If
before.
he's a streamer,
Yeah, he is.
Lorenzo Pro.
But I think his Discord has like a different Limitless.
Yeah, Limitless. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Ronaldo.
that's it.
Okay.
AB, good morning.
Hey,
Hello,
hey.
AB.
Good morning, guys. Good
Kalimera.
morning.
Bro, were you in Limitless, bro?
I was like I bought the course because it was
Bro,
like
I was in there. That's hilarious.
it's only
That sounds
it
great.
was only $100 or something, so I was just like that's pretty
Yeah.
cheap, and I just bought it. So
That's hilarious.
and then
I
I
was in
just
there
picked
too.
out the part with the volume profile and learned about it because I liked
Yeah.
it.
I feel that. That's hilarious, bro. Think about that. We were in there at the same time and didn't know.
Yeah, probably.
And now look. AB.
He looks like a
Hello.
mushroom,
Hey,
bro.
hey.
It's the best thing.
What?
AB, your hat is amazing.
Oh man, that's hilarious.
Thank you.
Brother stripped out.
Hey, for real, bro.
Look how it rejected from that level again.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a nice reaction from that
Yeah.
level. If this 15 can close bullish, it's looking pretty decent. Good morning, Classic. Good morning, brother.
Damn, classic. Holy. Yo.
POC, that's point of control, right?
Yes, point of control.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yes.
POC also should go.
Good
AB,
to
you in buys,
see you,
bro?
Classic.
Nah, I'm just trying to make sense of price somehow. I don't have.
AB's done for the day, bro.
Yeah, very
5
honestly,
minutes
yeah.
into market open, he's done.
It was like, and that's the week.
AB trades for 5 minutes once a week, and he's done.
Nice. More
Sunday
power to you,
evening.
bro.
I mean, that's the power of lower time frames. 5 minutes.
160 pips, something like that's becoming the
some
average now for AB.
And that was on 10 MGC. That was crazy, bro.
Jeez, W, bro. W.
Hey. What's Gucci, guys? PSC also keeping my connection, bro.
Oh, that's it. All good, bro. Just happy to see you here.
Uh, 199 billion. Okay, Goldie. Can you look at my trade? You know, by right now.
Brady's next door.
Okay, this one. Oh, empty. This is on the 1 minute. Okay. We suddenly hear an autofill. Yeah, see, that trade couldn't have been called out for everybody because I'm still not comfortable with where everybody is at when it comes to the lower time frames. But soon.
Would love a new
Is that what
autumn.
happened?
Would love a new autumn high on the silver during the London session. So far, it's holding the 7-8 open. Yeah, do we have any silver traders in here? I think silver might get very popular soon. Well, I think it actually is already.
Okay, trader next door, bro. I can't really see where you have taken the trade from, but W, I mean, you are executing anyways nicely. Right now on the 5 and the 1 minute, there's just too much chop and too much noise for me to take anything. Also considering today's bank holiday, so after London session, I can definitely see price ranging in this big range from 64 to 85 on the 15. So 4664 and 4685. So this range. And in this, what I would like to do is pass my combines today. By trading just support and resistance, because after London session, especially after pre NY, price just plays the ranges. Maybe we'll do one or two liquidity grab, but still would stay inside the range. So I'm gonna plan something like that for NY. Aha, 5 minute ISS.
Yeah, classic, I agree. Price action at all-time highs, tricky, man. Planning to move to currencies? Nah, out. I can't.
Ah.
Never.
Oh man, I used to trade your USD a lot. Um, but ever since I made the switch to gold, there's no going back, bro. There's no going back. Stop loss 5 pips, TP 10 pips. Currencies? Nah.
I mean,
I'm good.
bank holiday on currencies, there's everyday bank holiday, kinda. That's how it feels. Because it's moving so slow, like gold on a
Yeah.
bank holiday.
I guess I'll be right back. Somebody's at the door.
Right.
Don't lock yourself out.
Trading cattle would be more interesting than your USD. Yo, your USD often had some clean price. That's all I will say. Was it fast? No. No. Did it have 100 pip 1 minute candles? Absolutely not. But did it have clean price? Yeah, it had clean price.
Who won the 2000 leverage?
Yeah, bro, insane. They do that on purpose because they want to take all your money.
For real. Kurt. What's that, my brother?
Fucker's G, bro.
I know.
I just want to see him eating a steak and drinking a beer again.
I want to be like
That was
Doc.
so like, yeah, me too, bro. I want to be like him too.
Hawkeye is already where we wanna be.
Right. W, bro. Ain't nothing wrong for striving for more.
It's coming, bro. We'll see you in the New York session. It's gonna be eating a whole tomahawk steak. It looked fire, bro. It looked amazing.
Where did you post it? I
You
didn't
posted
see it.
on the gram, right? I think it was on Instagram. I think I saw it on Instagram.
I have to watch more stories on IG.
I struggle with stories, bro. Honestly. I don't even
Especially
watch
lately
stories
where
being
we
posted.
just, yeah, where we're busy
Yeah.
creating stuff.
It looks like a ribeye.
A
Is that a
ribeye.
ribeye?
Good.
So no bottom wick on the 15. That's pretty good. I like that. Then maybe because of the no bottom wick, we can grab all these lows and then perhaps form a support on the 15 and on the 30. It would be nice.
For everybody new to the stream who missed it earlier, we are also live on Discord if you want to join there. You can switch between all of our streams, like all charts, I'd say. You can switch between our charts, full HD, no delay.
Actually, watch them all at the same time.
True.
Yep.
If you want.
Yeah, we're gonna always be here for the stream in London.
Jeez, bro.
Yeah.
You cooked it perfectly too. Sorry. I'm just salivating at this this tomahawk, bro. Dang.
Oh my god.
You planning to stick to GC or test NQ? Yeah, we all actually test NQ because we have Lewis. Lewis trades NQ religiously, so during New York, we all actually have a look at NQ. Man, Lewis was going ham on Friday. Oh my word! Those who were with us in the other channel, yo, that's crazy.
I wasn't there, you gotta tell me what happened.
Bro, he was like, nah, I want to get halfway on all my combines. So he hopped on one combine. We watched him take a sell, close. Next combine, take a sell, close. He did it on like 3 combines and got them all to 1500,
Crazy.
all halfway past. Yeah.
It was G.
He was in a meeting though, so he wasn't calling anything out. We just watched him. We watched his
We called it out. We're like,
scatterbrained
oh,
mind
go
go
trade
crazy. Yeah.
No worries, John. He's gonna do it. Like, he's
Yeah,
gonna do
every
it
day.
again. He's gonna do it again. No worries.
Yeah.
I missed it
Yeah.
too, and I'm not too worried about it.
No.
Okay, guys, I have a buy stop on the 1 minute time frame at 4671.1. The stop loss is gonna be 667.9 on MGC. This is like 32 pips that I'm going to risk on this. Reasons for the trade being the previous 15 no bottom wick. Also, it has tested out this support. Also, on the lower time frame on the 5 minute, just like Traders Next Door has said, there's one minor level, not minor, but like a really good level. This one, so yeah, I'm not expecting price to come back down after creating this bottom wick. So if it flies, let's see. What do we do? Risk is 32 pips, so I'm gonna close half at 32 pips, which coincidentally tends to align with this high. So yeah, that's it. Let's see what happens.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Alright, W, let me mark everything.
Good luck.
Thank you.
What's you gonna?
Okay, I'm in.
What are you targeting?
I'm targeting 68.1, just like 1000 pips. Oh, sorry, 100 pips. But
Just like 1,000.
I'm gonna close half at 32. If it forms. 1000, yeah, 1000. Not today. Maybe last night, but yeah.
Yeah, I just put your trade on the screen
IW.
on my chart, for people to see.
Risk free is gonna be 74.2, Janusz. So that's the area where half of the position is to be closed.
The partial.
Yep.
Get in the summer combine with you.
I think about adding a buy stop now
Mm-hmm.
on my combine. This one.
Now the thing with lower time frame trading is, you can get stopped out on this, but then since it's just 32 pips, you can then get another really good setup that now runs. But how do you decide that the next setup is better than the previous one you executed on? So that is where the skill and chart time and everything else comes into play.
So, this is AB's trade,
Um,
the one I marked up here, and this is my entry if I get in. Just if anybody was confused.
Yeah. And why I went for buy stops on the break of the previous this structure high was because I'm expecting price to not create another low and then have some kind of reaction from here and then continue up. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
AB's entry was right at
Um,
71.1.
yeah, exactly.
I have mine right now at 71.6, so this would be the rebreak of this 1 minute highs.
Okay. Yeah, W.
Good morning, David.
Learn NQ ways doing a little NQ from previous POC reaction. Crazy. Previous POC NQ. Where's the entry again? The entry was 71.1.
All about the 5-minute hold in the lows now.
Yeah, that's it.
If this 5 closes bearish, I'm deleting my buy stop.
Yep. I'm gonna hold because, yeah, that's it. If this one is an SL for me, then yeah. We'll wait for another good trade if it forms. But this was the
yeah, I
only
mean, there
thing
was
I
no
could have
managing
taken.
in any case, so.
Look
Yeah,
at
true.
that. Look at that liquidity grab, and now it's coming up.
Alright, those who don't
Right.
like this trade and are in this, if you want, you can get out at this 10, 15 pips of DD if you want. Hey David, what up? Good morning, bro. Just a feedback. It would be better if you wait for the opening, in my opinion. Bro, my strategy doesn't work like that. But I appreciate the feedback, bro. The thing is, on moves like these, by the time London opens up, I could definitely be like risk free on this, or maybe like up 50 pips. So I used to wait a lot. Let's say if the 1 hour is closing, or if the 4 hour is closing, or NY is opening. But what would happen is, do you remember trading the other system where you are waiting for a candle to close in your direction or in your favor, or close with a bottom wick, or maybe the next candle opens up, we want a bottom wick and then a flip up to take buys. But how many times we just don't get the bottom wick? It just opens up and continues going up, 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 up. So when I was new to this strategy, this 1 minute, 5 minute executions, I would wait a lot for those things, and then the price would just run.
I
without
deleted,
me.
I
However,
deleted here, everybody, just to let you know.
W.
It still come up. Sorry.
Yeah. Because it is respecting this previous support, so I don't want to manage right now. I'm good on taking this asset. But yeah, so what I was saying was that there were so many times when I would see a perfect entry on the lower time frames and I would wait for the higher time frames to close, but now the higher time frame would close somewhere 40, 50 pips up if only I had taken it on the lower time frames. So that's why I just started avoiding all of that and take the losses in those cases, because I think those losses would be part of the strategy. But classic, thank you for bringing that up, bro. All right, those who are in the previous five closed bearish. If you want to manage like Janosch, you can. I'm still gonna hold it because I can afford these stops. And second thing is the previous five still like respected this support. So yeah, that's it. All right, that's it. Got stopped out on that. W try. Really liked it. We had the setup, and the only thing I can think of right now, could be this 15 closure below. But the trade idea was based on it did close below, but there was no bottom wick. And yeah, a quick little SF to
W,
stop.
bro. It's all right.
Yep.
Yeah, bro.
Part of the game.
Good. Come
On
on.
to the next.
Hey yo,
It is what
Kelvin.
it is.
Kelvin.
Can't catch them all, bro.
Yeah. I mean, just a small L.
Right, you have to come down from that 100 pips this morning. So.
Trading on the 1 minute is giving me anxiety, lol. I'll need time to get used to it. Of course, of course. And then the next step would be taking a SL like this and then executing again on the lower time frames, because at that time it would be like, yo, the lower time frames are too crazy. But then all you have to do is just wait for another good setup. That's it.
Let's scratch this.
Yep.
And also we
Cool.
can delete. I just keep this for now. Zone. Like, I will delete. Clean charts.
Thank you, Flashback.
Level might still hold here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And then
this
Classic
50
be like,
that
Jay, I
support.
told you, you should have waited for the open.
What is that volume profile saying?
Still the same.
Just curious.
Yep.
Hmm.
So now, actually, on the volume
Yep.
profile, we just tap the bottom of this volume range, right? Aim down, tapped it. So if we now close above this POC, maybe, this 50-minute looks good for a buy then. But I gotta close strong, right? If it closed doji like this, I'm not interested. Because the 1 hour is also closing, and it's gonna be bearish. Closing above those supports though, that's a good sign. And we kinda have no top wick on this candle, which is also the 4 hour. The previous 4 is also bullish, so everything is still bullish for me. 15, if we get a nice support here, I like the buys. Need a bottom wick though, on the next one. And doji, alright, nothing. This is
Not
London Open now.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait a bit.
Yeah, last
It can
London
definitely.
Opens were sad.
Well, I'm pretty sure this will play out now, but again, yeah, this was a good trade, good trade place, good place to take a trade. What could have been? Okay.
Over 59s. Yeah, this thing look good. If we break that previous 30 high, this thing should fill the range.
Yeah, it looks good to go up. I just can't, you know,
Yeah,
that closure
yeah.
wasn't
It's
what I
difficult
wanted.
with that with this closure, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just a little bit higher, and I would have been interested. But this is also part of trading. Sometimes you just, can't get the entry.
Yeah, true. Sometimes you'll get the entry, it'll stop you out and then move up.
Yeah.
I was trailing on that, and I did not mean to get hit, but whatever. It's okay.
Trailin.
W.
Aaron. W. Aaron.
W80.
W.
You guys took that?
What?
Yeah.
I,
On
I
the
took
five.
I took it on the combine.
Nice.
Hey, W Georgia.
I was stopped out with AB.
Oh.
What? Yeah, George took my trade. The one that I
Yeah,
called out.
not the 15. Not the
Yeah.
15 looked good, man, but I really needed it to close at least a little bit stronger.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you guys are in buys, I think it's important you need to see these previous 30-minute highs break. And if you go off of the previous 15, I think that's a good place to go BE because you're also approaching this this heavy zone right here. And if we break this 30 high, you do not want to see it rejecting because then we could just come back down.
Very highest here.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it's rejected.
I mean, technically speaking, price action wise, we still have range to come down. So I personally do believe we want to tap that range before going back up. But yeah, let's see. Let's see if we actually will. Because even though this 15 closed super doji, it's still technically a support. So we could just fly from this. Jason, yes, we do trade off the 15-minute chart. Definitely read though, AB.
Yeah, W.
See if we can break this previous 30 high.
Maybe. Vielleicht.
Maybe.
Vielleicht.
Vielleicht. Hit my break even on my trade and then re-entered and hit my stop loss. Lucky, bro. Flying now, It's the game we played.
Support would be so nice if it goes like this, but we got 25 minutes on the candle, so This will not wait on me. Maybe.
Yeah, probably not. Probably not. Yeah, classic. It's true. There's lots
Yeah.
of confusion, but you know, gold is eventually gonna go up. It's all about timing. It's all about timing in
And managing.
all-time high. Yeah.
So much confusion. Plus, with everything going on around the world, like all-time highs, we can do anything.
Yeah, they go previous 30 highs. This is definitely a good place to go be right there. If you're in of these 15-minute buys.
A closure.
Bro, super
Oh,
L closure,
closure.
bro. What was I was, but then at first I was thinking W closure because that 1 minute bottom wick, was red, and I was like, yeah. And then now I'm like, L closure, bro. What was I doing? But I still would have gotten hit on that 1 minute anyways. So that would have trailed.
Thank you. I'm sorry it was an L, but I mean, if I would run the markets, we'd be millionaires tonight. But yeah, the good thing is that okay, we got stopped up, but this zone definitely did play out. So yeah, that's the only thing. If you're reading the price right.
Yep. It's still somewhat a W, right? I mean,
I got that win from AB, so I think it should be a W. Like,
watch good.
that's what I mean.
See
I
a
didn't
W
get
on the
done.
chart as well.
And that was an XFA, so I say W.
W.
All right, W. Analysis
But
played out.
honestly, when I
That's
took
the
that
real W.
trade, yeah, when I took that trade, I wanted my stops to go below this level here, and this. But then at that point, that SL would have been 50 pips. And right now, as a young or still a young trader or young streamer, I don't know how comfortable I would have been giving that 50 pips of SL. Even though I'm trading for myself, but I still kind of have to take care of people that are trading with us. So yeah.
I did take the buys on the 50-minute bank on the London Open volume and it played out well. Nice W. I think if we had better London Opens in the last week, I would have probably said, alright, I'm having a buy stop. But the previous London Opens were just so frustrating and volume was dying out, so. But yeah, W.
Sure, W zone.
So technically now, we have had a confirmed like change of character. So what do I mean by that is just you see price was coming down, 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 down. This 15 was nice. And now in the 1 minute again price has shifted bullish because when it was coming down, it was bearish and then it created a resistance at a previous consolidation zone and then started coming back down, broke the lows. But after breaking the lows, it has broken the previous highs on the 1 minute. So that means okay, the price is again setting up bullish now. So in such cases, these are the two levels to take a buy from. This would be A plus, and this would be like a regular trade or a regular zone. So if it comes back down, maybe after session, you can target something like this, something like this. Just like manage the stops accordingly, and I think yeah. Other than that, I don't have anything else to take on. This 15 could definitely go till the resistance. Also, guys on YouTube, if you can't see my charts and if you want to look at my charts, join the Discord.
Yeah, we got every one of us sharing their screen here on Discord.
Yeah, on YouTube, flipping through multiple screens was just proving too much of a hassle from the logistics point of view. And we don't really want to get into that. So now all the trades that would be called out, let's say if I'm taking some A plus trade, you would see it on another chart, but it won't be my screen. However, my screen is available for the people in Discord.
Who's that?
Meetings.
Yeah, guys, I have a meeting going on side by side. So
And
just
he was
to like
working
let
while
you
you were.
guys know a bit of the
Lovely
info.
mans.
Yeah. I do trade full time, but I also have another business that I'm working on. So that meeting is going on. So that's why I'm muting and unmuting.
He's
That's
got
all
a
you
little
do.
some on the side. And
Yeah.
a little
That
some
little
on the other
sum on
side.
the sides feeds all the combines. Let's just say.
Zeno Black. I did take the buys on the 15-minute, banked on the London Open volume, and it played out well. W, bro. I know London has not been the best session, but it's a combine, so why not try it? Let it fly, man. Let it fly.
Where did you see that? Is that on YouTube?
Yeah, that was on YouTube. W,
My
brother.
YouTube chat's broken.
Bro.
Yeah. Ah, there we go. Yeah, Zenu. It made sense. Made perfect sense. Damn, we're not gonna close above. Okay. 15 close below the zone. Not so hot. If we closed above, I would have probably been interested to fill the rest of this range. But now we can just wait for the 30. If it holds for another 15 minutes, W. If not, it is what it is. Just gotta wait for price to tell us where it wants to go. Currently, it does look like it wants to fill this range, but with this 15 closing below this major zone, it makes it a bit iffy.
Iffy. Iffy. News today?
News?
Thanks,
It's a
holiday.
holiday, bro.
You see that? World Eco Outlook.
Trump might drop some news though.
Right.
Who knows?
Some news. You mean some
news?
tweets?
Some news. I don't know.
Yeah.
Some news.
I don't know.
Yeah, we got nothing, YOLO. We got nothing. Sadly.
YOLO.
Judging by the past London sessions, I'd say we just start ranging from now.
I did expect price to close above it. From now, exactly, bro. Exactly. We might range slowly upwards.
Damn.
Because if you're ignoring all the price to the left, yeah, this 15 minute support looks pretty good. But
You
how do
ca-
you ignore this chop?
your camera is in the past somehow.
My camera's in the past? Hold on. I'm gone. I'm back.
Still kinda, I don't know. I think your connection might not be the best.
Bro,
today.
how is the camera in the past? Oh, yeah. My live camera is in the past.
Still a George.
It's all good. It's all good.
He's a clanker.
That's the volume. Gone.
The bank holiday.
Can't sleep.
Yeah. What is we have this
News-wise?
yeah. Tomorrow nothing. Wednesday. President Trump speaks, okay. At 8:30.
Crazy. Wonder what
I'm
the
Jerome Powell.
Okay.
sign a petition to get Jerome Powell back in office, bro.
Jerome.
I miss him. Good afternoon.
And then Bleeder.
I don't want to change my Discord profile picture, bro.
Don't do it, bro.
Nah.
Never.
He's a stop loss hunter, but I mean, we gotta pay our respect somehow.
He's a stop loss hunter.
Jerome.
Jerome.
Jerome is going home now.
Yes, Ockard, we will be trading the New York session. Jerome, look at him, bro. He's such a cutie. Dude, look at that video. Come on. Come on. That's my boy.
That's his boy.
That's our boy.
He doesn't even look real.
That's what makes him perfect. I mean, think about it. Price after he left, Price action died.
True.
You got a point. You got a point.
We need him back.
You're funny, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that.
Dun, 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 dun. Indices are pretty clean since the open. In Q. In Q. Going
Yeah, yeah, that's why we're at all-time highs, Aka. These geopolitical issues. People see uncertainty in all markets. They take out all their assets and they put it straight into gold.
Yeah, poor Bitcoin. Poor crypto.
Should I look? Should I look at the damage?
It's not too bad. It's just casual. Bad news day.
Okay.
I think it's like 2.5% or something.
Yeah. Yeah.
After that one Black Monday where it just dropped like 80% on altcoins,
That was wild.
stuff like that doesn't really scare me anymore.
Bro.
Yeah, you've been through everything, you know.
Nothing compared to
Through the
me.
worst.
Yeah.
Legit not one thing. Maybe if it goes to 0. Other than that.
If it goes to 0, I buy more.
Right. What else? Okay, what else can we do?
That's just how it is.
Well,
If it ever goes
exactly.
like, to historical low numbers, I'll just
Right.
buy.
Into negative. Be rich. Alright, Goldie.
Well, 30 waited on me. But I think I'm not
Yeah.
really
It's coming, bro.
I'm not really interested anymore.
Why not, bro?
I don't know. I feel like the volume is dying out right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, could be. Could be. It needs to close strong. And this 15 must definitely not close resistance.
On things.
Landy. Like Landy, Landy, Landy.
I hope we still get some better sessions in this first quarter. I mean, we just started. Let's give it some time.
Yeah.
Bro, it's literally January 19th, you know?
Yeah, let the new Fed get in.
Yeah.
Let the tariffs thing get sorted out, and then I think markets, and then maybe also gold needs to move away a little bit from those all-time highs, and then setting up for some nice sessions again.
Yes, sir.
Gold is briefly consolidating some macroeconomic catalysts or additional volume to continue going up, otherwise some correction expected. Yeah. For today, yeah.
Maybe one tweet, yeah.
True. We never know.
Trump just needs to tweet and tag. Trump needs to tweet and tag Iran, and then boom.
Actually, I can try if I can set up a Twitter tracker for Discord, so we can get a notification instantly whenever, you know, Trump or the Fed or anything important for the markets puts down a tweet.
Oh. That's interesting.
But I never did that, so I have to first look into it, but I think it's possible.
Set up a Trump bot.
Yeah, it just tracks like immediately if he posts anything, we will get a notification on the Discord with the post.
Nice.
I mean, it's not that important that you have that instantly, but sometimes you wonder why is the market going crazy right now, and then there's this tweet, you know.
Famous Trump tweet.
My gold's not looking terrible. Oh, it's not looking terrible.
Yeah. Think buys.
Oh,
Give it a shot or pass it.
What's this looking like? Or do Pepperowski. If we close below, not interested in the XFE. But on the combine.
You need a bottom wick. We need a bottom wick.
Combine. Definitely the bottom wick. The 30.
$30. On the 30.
The 4660. Yeah, they do look good, classic. Especially if this flower closes bearish at some point. One Goldie. Let me turn this red into green. Thank you so much liquidity. Indices are predictions open on NQ. Well, gold ain't, are gold ain't.
Gold is not.
Okay, we equaled that high.
Oh,
Yes.
bottom wick.
Yes, Goldie.
You break the lows, I might add a buy stop.
Yeah, same. I love it when it just freezes, bro. When there's not
Yeah.
even a single pip of movement. In like
I
10
always
seconds.
check my internet connection if that happens. So I'm like, no way, we
Same,
just
bro.
don't move.
Am I frozen?
It is like that though. That's why. Am I frozen?
Gold is not golding, or is gold golden? Classic. That's the question.
Wow.
Crazy, isn't it?
Oh, I love gold.
What is this, GJ?
GJ? What? Where?
Oh, it's moving slow like TJ.
Oh. Oh, remember GJ days? Wow, crazy.
Fell asleep on the charts.
Bro. Yeah. Yeah. GJ classic. GJ. Good job, brother. Come on, Goldie. Break it. Break it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I'll have a buy stop.
How's the 30 low look? Yeah, same.
This is what the position would look like for now.
Yeah, previous 15 lows. Is that what you're still looking at?
Yep. Previous lows targeting this 15 distance on the left. Got this wick fill as an advantage point.
Yeah. if we break this previous 15 low, it needs to be a quick rejection. Just snag that low and then reject. If we break that low and just dive, then
Yeah,
okay.
definitely agree.
So let's see if we respect it or if we break it and reject, then it still looks good.
It's okay if it wants to grab the liquidity. As you said, we want to see it immediately run back up.
Yeah. For us, this thing could just drive. I mean, the 1 hour is the time zone that is still bearish. And it could still fill this range, so we need to see it reject from here. Yeah, so we grab the low. Now we see. Because now after grabbing this low, we should have no business breaking this high. None at all.
Yep.
So now if we re-break this low, I'll probably delete.
Yeah, same. But good night.
Yeah. Yeah, probably go BE at the wick full. Maybe close some.
I mean that's like what
30, about 30
28
pips.
pip. Close one off for sure. Yeah.
Cheap oil time? Yo, classic. I wonder why. What happened to the world's largest oil reserve? Nobody knows.
Yoink.
Yoink. A quick in and out mission. You know? The world is out of this world. Facts. Facts. Does gold have the juice to even fill this range? I hope so.
The world is rigged in our favor. Everything works for us.
Rage.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, look at that look at those 5 minutes. All 3 of those 5-minute candles each have the exact same high.
Yeah. If we break those highs, we should get a wick full.
We
I'm
should.
confident.
We should, yeah.
To be honest. At least to, I think, around 78-ish. I think we get the whole wick fill, but, you know. At least 78. Can break those highs. Five flip and drive. We
Yeah,
have
hopefully we just don't take too long.
bro. Now we gonna take two.
Well,
Come on, 5. You rejected that. You rejected that.
He's thinking
Why
about
do
it.
you want to reject?
there's not enough power.
That's what I mean.
Yeah, I mean it's a Monday. It's a public holiday
Yeah.
for the
Okay.
US.
Never mind, never mind.
I heard it. I heard it. I heard it. I heard it.
Yo.
Gold got
There.
offended, like, what? No power? What?
Right. What they say?
You want to see power? I'm gonna activate you and stop you out. Watch this.
In 3 seconds.
You're right, John. You're right. No, we gotta respect gold.
You're right,
My
John.
bad,
You're right.
my bad, my bad.
Not gonna lie, I like that buy stop that you guys have.
Join us or what?
Okay, I'm sizing up.
I think I'll join in from a more discounted entry. If it comes to 69 again, nice. I'll enter.
Nine. Oh, you want to see it
So you
all the
gotta
way
get-
down here?
I mean,
That's
just
when I
like A
delete.
plus on the 1 minute to go up. And
Well,
also, if you
yeah,
look at the 30, if the new 30 comes back down, test this support, and then somehow flips, then it's not coming back.
Then
to
I
that
would have
level.
to delete and also look for a new entry because this 15 is coming to an end in
yeah.
almost 4 minutes. So 4 minutes.
Yeah, I'm going back on mute so that you guys don't hear the German meeting that's happening in the background.
What's the
Here.
info, bro? No, I want to go to business school.
I mean, yeah.
Send the link. Maybe send the link.
And the lane.
I'll send the link and everybody joins.
With
That'd be
cams
wild.
on and everyone shows their trading charts. Hey, yo, sir, look at my payouts. Look at my payouts.
Look at my payout.
The thing is, right, what makes this trade a bit tricky is that yes, the 15 is closing, however, the steady is still remains open and remains bullish.
Yeah.
But it does look like this 15 minute does not like this zone at 75.7.
If this 15 closes,
However,
sorry, go on.
if we do end up breaking these steady highs, I don't see why it would come back down. That's all.
Yeah, I agree. I think I personally would delete if this 15 now closes bearish like this, because I don't want to be.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, we could just get nipped in and come back
Yeah,
down
then
and
come
stay
down.
in the
Yeah,
range.
thanks.
Yeah. That's like
Yeah.
worst case.
But then also, if these highs break, it should
That's what I'm
go.
saying.
But
At least to whip, you know what I mean? I mean, you never know, but
I'll probably
78.
now though. Because there's 1 minute and 30 seconds left to this 15. I don't want to get nipped in and then be an unnecessary drawdown for that 15 bottom X. I'll delete these.
yeah, that's the. So
Yeah. Hi, Classic. See you later, brother. Just think gold's lacking the juice.
Like that volume, volume.
Oh, that's what I was missing, bro. You know, I should stream music.
Yes, sir, Classic Trader. Peace, brother.
Yo, gold, chill. Now we see what Goldie does.
let's choose up, break the highs.
Yeah. What does Raja always say? 30 is king.
It is.
Yeah, look, in normal circumstances, given we have volume, we got the feds involved, no bank holiday.
No
I'd
tariffs.
probably test. Yeah, no tariff issues. I'd probably have a buy stop on regularly steady highs, even though this 15 close bearish.
Yeah, me too. Even now, I was
Steady still
thinking
looks
still
good,
about
you
it.
know?
I
Yeah,
still got mine.
Yeah,
I never
same.
deleted it.
Aaron still holds it. See, I mean,
WAE Ron.
But that's just my choice, you
Buys
know.
are super valid.
Yeah.
Super
honestly,
valid.
if Aaron is
risky.
still holding it, man, this combine is
Combine?
going. Yeah, this combine is going.
Combine?
Hey guys, I
Oh.
think I'm ready to call it a session. It's too boring.
Too boring, bro.
Is
Come
that an
on, we
insult
gotta-
to
we gotta
us?
be-
Right?
No,
Yeah.
the price action.
I know.
Alright, guys, people in Discord who can see my screen, if you see some kind of trade forming here, ideally you want this 15 to close kind of weak bearish and then the next one to tap it and go up. Take a 5-minute onion to the upside. On the 1 minute, what you want to see is it go down, maybe create some kind of a green candle, just enter there, put your stops below whatever the low that is there, and then just close half at 1 to 1 as soon as possible and forget about this trade. Or if you're going in with a higher size, even like half 1 to 1 would be like 30-40 pips, so you can then even manage from there. But this is one area I definitely would have my eyes on. And yeah, that's pretty much it from me.
Yeah, if anybody missed it on YouTube, you can join the Discord and see everybody's screens, everybody charts
Yeah.
with no delay and in full HD.
Yeah, again, people on YouTube, we would do this, love to do this for you as well. But again, there are too many logistical and technical things that need to be sorted out for you guys to see all the screens in good quality and that too without lag. But you know, we are not trading just one system here. We have multiple things going on at the same time. So getting all of that aligned in a way on YouTube, we are not there yet, but we would be there very soon. However, for that time being, till we grow this community and till people in this community get more familiar with the lower time frame trading, Discord is the best place to do it. And yeah, with that being said, boys, I'll call it a session. You guys stay on if you're still there. But yeah, I'll take a leave, guys.
Yes, sir, my brother.
Hi, brother.
It's been Rizzle, as always. Thank you for everything. Till later.
Yes, guys. So W's in the chat. This is Zaby Mike signing off.
Respect to G.
2, 1.
Dude,
I'm deleting.
I'm
Peace.
deleting. And
Me too.
yeah, I think we call it a session in any case.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I mean, look,
Yeah,
Just
this
1
is the
hour,
watching paint drive.
I,
bro.
I expected this 1 hour to close bullish, hence why I wasn't too concerned about the 1 hour. But now that we're all the way down here towards the tail end of the 1 hour, we've got 10 minutes left. This 30-minute, all it has done, it printed the high and then just continuously broke that low. It took a while, but it continuously kept breaking that low, which is a bad sign for buys. And at the end, we now know that this range on the 15 is probably what kept gold from going up. So if this wasn't here, then the buys may have played out. But other than that, I don't see anything else happening in this London session. Sadly, yeah, you guys can wait. Perhaps if you get a closure above this range on the 15, it looks good for the range. I'm not sure how the volume will be at that time, so manage and get in accordingly. But Yeah, if you do get a 15 above 75.8, the range, I mean, the range is super clean, and you may fill that range. But yeah, that's the blended session for me. I don't like anything currently.
Yeah.
Looks like we just starting to range from here until NY, and then see if we get some volume there. The bank holiday, so
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
gotta be careful.
Exactly.
W session. Thank you everybody for coming through. And if you're in a Discord, you already know we'll be in there all day. And just ask questions. But yeah, for me too, I'm out. And thank you guys for everything.
We have
Yeah, it was a great session. Good Monday.
we have a outro song. Got something for me, Aaron?
I ain't got nothing, bro.
We ain't taking. Let me see. I need peace. I need love. Come on,
that's
bro.
the Aaron song. The Aaron song. Just play anything, bro. You can play that
Yeah,
song too.
it don't matter.
I will play it.
Bro, why'd you go there now and try to do something? Like,
Watch gold break these
Whoa.
highs and fill the
Yo,
range,
yo,
and then we hit
gold.
all-time highs.
Out of nowhere.
Alright.
Let's come back for NY then.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Thanks
sir.
for watching, everybody.
YouTube chat, peace. Discord chat,
Peace, y'all.
peace.
Thank
Discord
you.
special people. I'll see you later.
Yes, sir.
Thank you all for pulling up, and we will see you tomorrow.
Peace.
I need
Peace.
peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I want my dog. Ay, birds of a feather, we gon' fly together. Ay, we gon' ride forever like it's heavy metal. I ain't Christopher Columbus, I would never settle. I ain't Lewis, I ain't Clark, I would never settle. God told me I'm Olympic, for real. Ay, seek the kingdom, why you simping, for real? Why you talking, you should listen, for real. All this jaywalking got me limping, for real. Hey, jaywalking, hey, Jesus walking, hey, Jesus talking. Yo, big faith, yeah, I need a whole lot of that way, where I'm about to go like amigo. Can't see the vision, then you can't be me amigos. I call up my girl and then we pull up to the Rego. That's the only time we pay to see you acting way different. Way different. Same book, but the pay's different. The pay's different. Is it cliche to say I'm lane switching? Well, I'm lane switching. Hold on, let me put my turner signal on, so they see me coming. They still can't see me coming. Only two things that I need is peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from up. They like, how he, who he, what is this? Hey, my studio is wherever I sit. Hey, I plug in the microphone and then you hear that click. It's a hit. Hey, way it hit 'em like, whoa, man. Hey, make 'em do the uh-oh, man. Hey, how you just came up with whoa, man? Flow electric, this is not a slow dance. Not a slow dance. We come together and we pray and hold hands. He give grace, so wherever grace lands. He paid the price, ain't have no escape plan. Yeah, no plan. Yeah, no plan. Actually, his plan was the plan, so he planned it. Ayy, set the bar high, he the code, so I scanned it. Ayy, we saving souls on the campus. Ayy, but this ain't no religion, we ain't following your antics. Ayy, thank you, Lord, I sit like a praying mantis. Enemy just tryna see me sink Titanic. Never out, but I'm outlanded. Even when I'm out, soon as I land. Back to the beach, back to the sand. It's back to the... Only two things that I need is peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above. I need peace. I need love. I need everything that's coming from above.